Cashier sa isang pawn shop si Rech. May nagsangla ng alahas worth 100,000 pesos. Matapos mabayaran ay nagkaroon siya ng agam-agam if the jewelry was fake or real.
Sobrang nag-worry po ako noon, talagang ilang araw ko pong dala-dala yon.
One night, she chanced upon the 700 Club Asia and called our 24/7 prayer center. The counselor prayed for her.
Nagkaroon ako ng hope eh. Parang iba po yung impression habang nagpipray po siya. Feeling ko talaga makakatulong po sa akin po yun.
Thank God the jewelry was indeed real.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Lord sa favor niya talagang. If not for 700 Club Asia, hindi ko po makikilala ang Panginoon.
CBN Asia's 24/7 prayer center is truly a lifeline for anyone with a need. You can be part of what God is doing through our prayer center by becoming a partner of CBN Asia. Scan the QR code to send your support or visit cbnasia.com/give.